May nagtanong kung pwede daw to sa basketball. Basketball, volleyball, baseball, kahit anong ball, basta may ball, pwede to. Huwag kang magulo. Kinigigil mo yung mga nerves ko. Kaya kung mahilig ka sa mga balls, pwede to. Napakaganda, tingnan nyo. Breathable na siya, 'di ba? Breathable na siya. Tapos, yung dito, yung apakan is meron na siyang cushion na makapal. Kaya, it will give you a comfortable feelings pag ginagamit nyo yung produktong ito. So, what are you waiting for? Napakaganda ng product at quality nito. Meron silang 4 pairs, may 8 pairs, depende sa'yo. Check that yellow basket. And also available to sa low cut, mid cut, at high cut. So, check nyo lang din dyan kung ano yung pipiliin nyo para makita nyo, and also the color, black and white. So, what are you waiting for? If you wanted to get the same product as mine, the same quality of this product as mine, use that basket for you to check out. Okay? Pwede to sa lahat ng mga balls. Balls! Bye!